Hello. If you had the chance, you would become a shareholder of a future billion-dollar company that would make you extremely rich, wouldn't you? As Albert Einstein said, imagination is more important than knowledge. Right now, people with imagination are accumulating a fortune 24/7 in this business. The question is, how can you finally be part of it? How can you use your imagination too and participate in this very unique and powerful investment opportunity that can fill your bank account with hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars? Very simple. The information superhighway is lined with advertising billboards. The newest billionaires are the ones who control the online advertising real estate. We give you a piece of the action, and you get rich too. Becoming a millionaire is not as difficult as it used to be. The old paradigm of work hard and get lucky is now replaced by a new one: work smart and get rich for sure. Do you have the wisdom to discern and recognize an opportunity and invest early? Did you know that $10,000 invested in AOL soared to $2.11 million? $10,000 invested in Microsoft skyrocketed to $6.54 million. A $10,000 investment in Google in 1998 would now be worth $30 million. Our system is unique, innovative, original, and different. You only need to see the potential. Most of the early investors of Yahoo, MSN, AOL, Google, etc. probably did not understand every detail about these businesses, but they managed to become multi-millionaires anyway. An opportunity is great when only a few people can see it. When everyone sees it, no longer can it even be called an opportunity. The opportunity to create real, permanent wealth for you and your family resides essentially with internet companies like ours. Why? Simply because we are like a ship about to leave its port. The internet, being such a huge wealth creator, has so many niche markets and specialized areas that even the larger, well-established companies such as Google, AOL, or even Microsoft can't really establish a presence in all of them. This is why there are countless multi-million or even billion-dollar transactions involving internet company acquisitions, mergers, some in the open, some behind the scenes. Here are just a few examples. AOL purchasing advertising.com for $500 million. Linkshare, a performance-based affiliate and e-marketing business, sold for $425 million. DoubleClick, acquired for $1.1 billion. Microsoft's purchase of in-game advertising company Massive Inc. for $500 million. Rupert Murdoch's purchase of MySpace.com for almost $600 million. Google's recent acquisition of Neven Vision for an undisclosed but reportedly fairly large chunk of cash. And most recently, Google's purchase of YouTube.com for $1.65 billion. These companies were able to command billion-dollar price tags, and yet some of them didn't even exist 5 years ago. That's the way of the internet, and it can really change your life. The secret of massive success on the internet, or anywhere else for that matter, is to have an original idea or a different business model that is unique to you and that others want. The business model developed by our company is definitely unique and original. A lot of information and pleasant surprises await you on our flagship website, www.smartplay.biz. Your boat has finally arrived. The online revolution is making a lot of people extremely rich in a very short time. Can you afford not to participate? This is your chance right now. Internet advertising has been growing since 1996. In fact, money spent on internet advertising has grown exponentially since 1996 from $300 million to a projected $17 billion in 2006. As more and more households hook up to the internet, the growth curve is accelerating even faster and creating new wealth at an unprecedented level. Once again, can you imagine yourself accumulating your fortune too? One of our secret weapons and trademarked creation, the ReachAD program, is about to make the internet live up to its full potential as an advertising medium. Through a very unique, innovative, and measurable approach, we make the dreams of advertisers and businesses come true. Can you imagine that one day internet advertising will surpass television advertising? In fact, the Google AdSense advertising program is tremendously successful and has generated close to $10 billion for Google last year. Now, our ReachAD program, with the edge inherent in its design and creation, is poised to grab a substantial share of revenues in this ever-expanding multi-billion-dollar industry. How can you be a part of this wealth creation? That's where we come in. This is ideal for investors who can see the potential and want to participate in this massive wealth creation already underway. This offer is on a first-come, first-served basis and will no longer be available once this final pre-IPO financing phase is completed. If you do not want to be left out of this wealth creation process, act on it now. IPO is how you get rich. A large part of the wealth created over the last 20 years has come in the form of share ownership in high-growth potential companies. Our parent company, Synergetic Loyalty Concept Incorporated, will become a public company in a little less than a year and a half by doing an initial public offering, IPO. At that time, existing investors such as yourself are poised to become instant millionaires.